Lots of lumber, such a wonder, from the old trees' tales asunder, crafting dreams from nature's splendor, turning moments sweet and tender. Every cut brings life to story, working hard in all its glory. With each plank a cherished memory, heartfelt hands set each one free. You turn your logs into gold, precious memories to hold. Timber tales forever told, turning love into wood we mold. From the forest to the family, every grain tells history. In the wood we see tradition, turn our dreams in fine rendition. Orr Sawmills where art meets timber, crafting beauty to remember. Echoes in the wood so tender, in each piece our hearts surrender. Beautiful logs now turn to lumber, in each plank dreams won't go under. Hold these memories close and dear, crafted with both love and care. From the forest to the family, precious memories to hold. Timber tales forever told, turning love in wood we mold. We turn your logs into the family, every grain tells history. In the wood we see tradition, turning love in wood we mold. We mold. From the forest to the family, every grain tells history. In the wood we see tradition, timber dreams in fine rendition. Orr Sawmills where art meets timber, crafting beauty to remember. Echoes in the wood so tender, in each piece our hearts surrender.